Never ever been changed.
That is the
Good news is, grab me a plate. Little inspection here. Yeah, this has never been changed. But the really good news is this thing shows no wear whatsoever. I mean, none.
So maybe this car only did have 30,000 miles on it?
Very well could have. I'll tell you what, everything under here is perfect. There ain't a nick, scratch, nothing in the gears. Yeah, it's totally perfect. No nicks, no scratches. Teeth are all just immaculate. So it's very possible this car only had 34,000 on it. Very possible. I mean, we got nothing on there. Beautiful. Nice. Okay. Scrape off the gasket. Still got to figure out why we can't get that plug out of there, but
you can leave it.
Yeah, the plug was so tight in there that, God, my buddy was over here and he's 6'8", about 320, and we had a bar on it and we broke the socket. So
that was a snap-on socket.
Yeah, that was a snap-on. I have no idea why somebody would crank that in so tight in this car. Definitely we found the tag here. There's a gear tag. So what are the gears on? 321?
321.
321 gears. The mileage should be good. And it should be a little bit quick. Not a lot of horsepower going on right away, but fuel mileage right now with gas over $5 a gallon, fuel mileage sounds really good. We're hoping we're going to get in the 20s when this one's done. Okay, we're going to let this drain out, scrape up the gasket, clean it up really nice, and we got a nice chrome cover here. Gonna line that up, make sure it's gonna match up. I'll give you this. Get that cleaned up and make sure the new one's gonna fit. Make sure it's exactly the same. Because if not, we're putting that one back on.
Alright, works for me.